Olivetti Studio 45. It's a very beautiful typeface, but this part broken, so I have another part machine here. So I took from there. Where is this one? This one. So I wanna put this one into here, but to remove this one from this machine, it is not easy. I already take off this part, I mean outside, and then bottom case. I change this one from the part machine. Not same model, but same brand under the olivetti. So still has a little bit crack, but it's okay because this one originally from here, it's broken like this. So this part from this one cannot so it is not easy to access there. I need the whole take off the first outside case, and then bottom cover everything, and then also we need to remove the around this, around here. I show you, it's very dirty. But without that, it's very hard to unscrew and screw. One this one, and then one another one here. But in order to access this part, I also removed this screw, and then finally I changed it. But it's a little bit needed to the bent, and then put into there, and then take out. So very beautiful typeface. So right now I change everything, but I need to clean a lot. See, this is the bottom part, this is on the bottom, and then this is bottom case. So after cleaning everything, I put back on. Now everything reassemble. Before switch this one, because this broken, I put this one from the part machine. If I hit some key continually, it's stuck around here. I realized because this was broken, that means like this. So there is this attach here, right? But this one little bit going down, that means it's a little bit lower. So that's why if we hit something, it inside it was stuck. So now I when I switch this one, I put something more up, like this. This one put little bit up, then it will be perfect. So right now it's perfect. But put this one into the here. We need a little bit tricky. We need a bent a little bit inside both sides. Without that, we cannot put into here. So that's the little bit tricky. Also, we need to remove this whole case, and then also after each case there is another metal cover. We need to remove that. Then we can easily do that. But the end of this part put into the under the carriage, that's not easy. So little bit you should be careful, because during the bend you can easily, I think, broken this one. This one already little bit cracked, so that's why I should be very, very careful. So a little bit that part difficult for me, but right now it's okay. Let's see some beautiful word. This typewriter Jim gave me because I deliver his old typewriter after fixing. So in return, he gave me this beautiful typewriter, but he realized this one was broken. So he gave me one more part machine. So I did like this. Okay, so I wanna put Jim, and then my name. Let's see the type font. Little bit, yeah. Beautiful, but I hit it using the one hand, so sometime. Let's see. It's okay, good. And then G. Yeah. The cubic. This is a cubic, right? Cubic typeface. So I like this one. Maybe I switch this one daily typewriter because I like this typeface. All right, thank you for watching. Also, thank you, Jim, again.